We're installing the Borla Touring exhaust kit for the build out on this 2018 Ford F-150 powered by the 2.7 EcoBoost engine. Borla makes 3 different catback systems for this truck. This is the least aggressive of those 3. The owner of the truck opted for this system because he wants that 2.7 to sound as aggressive as it feels, yet remain respectable. With this kit, Borla replaces everything past the catalytic converter. You'll expand to a 3-inch main tube straight through front muffler that balances out your exhaust pulses. Then it feeds into the rear muffler assembly, giving you a great combination of power gaining flow with an aggressive drone-free rumble. After that, it splits into twin 2¼ inch welded pipes for a simplified installation using factory mounting points. This kit comes with double black exhaust tips that will exit out behind your back tire. That gives you better departure angle if you ever go off-roading. It's made in the USA out of high-quality T304 stainless steel to outlast your truck. It's backed by Borla's 1,000,000-mile warranty, and we ship it for free to the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, give us a like. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, there's a comment box below. And if you want to keep up to speed on this build or other builds we do in the future, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so that you're notified every time we upload a video.